Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry y'all. I'm so tired of school, y'all. I miss y'all so much, but I'm back with a very highly requested video. This is a makeup tutorial, but it's really me showing you guys how I get my colors so pigmented and also how I blend. So yeah, how about I went deep enough in detail. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then make sure you guys keep watching. So I'm gonna try to make this video as informative as possible. So in my recent videos, you guys see me use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1. I don't usually use it for eyeshadow base, just to cut my crease. This dries really fast, so that's why I don't like using it for the base, because you guys see that today I work with a lot of colors, and if this dries, it's harder to blend. I used to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, which is just a white eyeliner. This is not as sticky as I prefer my bases to be. It's actually not sticky at all. It's the light base that you need, but it's not sticky enough for the colors to stick like they need to. So that's why I don't really use that anymore. And if you guys have been with me for literally almost like over a year now, actually, because it's been a year since I've been on YouTube, but you know that I used to use the NYX white eyeshadow base. So this stuff is really oily, and that also made my colors kind of just slip and slide all over my eyelid. Also made my eyelid really prone to creasing, so that's why I stopped using this one, and I just stuck to my LA Girl concealer. You'll either see me use Cool Tan, Pure Beige, or Medium Beige. The point is they're all lighter than my skin tone, but so that's why I started using Medium Beige for really bright colors. So you can see it's about maybe 2.5 to 3 shades lighter than me. So you don't necessarily have to use anything white. I mean, white will get it done, but any lighter concealer will do. And like I said, I like this one because it's sticky like I want it to be, and it doesn't dry as fast, so I have more time to work on my eye and ensure that my colors are sticking like I want them to. And I do kind of go in with a lot of it. It doesn't take that much, but I just like mine to be like really even and smooth across my eyelid. So yeah, that's about how much I put. And to blend that out, I'm going to use this brush. I'll link the brush set down below, and I just tap it in. You don't want to, like, I'm pretty sure y'all know that, but you don't want to like swipe or anything. Just tap it all over your eyelid. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do. I just keep tapping it until it's matte. So before you start applying color, you want to make sure that you don't have any creases in your eyelid. By the way, you guys, I do not set my eyelid with powder, just because if I set it with a translucent powder, then what is my eyeshadow going to stick to? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't set my base at all. I'm going to go into my James Charles palette, and I'm using a, what is this? A E18 brush, which is just a small, what is this called? Why did I forget the name? I'm going to be taking this green right here, and I'm going to pick that like in my crease halfway, and I'm showing you guys how I dip into the color. So I don't know if that'll help, but I don't really pick up, well, I was gonna say I don't pick up a lot, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but that's about how much I picked up. And again, make sure you don't have any creases on your eyelid. If so, just go back to your brush and lightly tap over it again. Pretty much just pack it on until it's as pigmented as I want it to be. And I'm just packing it on, like we're not swiping it or anything. I'm just packing it on. So yeah, that's enough for the green. Now we're gonna go into the purple. I'm using the E17 from Morphe, and I'm picking up this light, this light purple right here. And I think it's a mistake a lot of people make. Well, it's not a mistake, it's just all about how you prefer to do it. But I think it's important to build your color up first and then blend it out, versus just going straight into it and, you know, blending it, I guess. Because you want it to get as, you want to be able to pack on as much as you need first and then blend it out. I don't know if this is going to make sense, but if you jump straight into blending, sometimes I feel like you can't even pack it up, pack the color up. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, you can't build up the color you need. But I've tried it before and it did not work. You see how I just packed it on? That's why I don't take my eyeshadow up so far, because I need room to go back and blend it. Because when you blend it, it's gonna go up some anyway, especially with this look. But once I go back and blend, it's gonna get taken up some anyway. So that's why you don't want to pack your eyeshadow on so far up on your eyelid. Literally pack mine right above my crease. So let me show you. Like, that's my crease, but it's literally like a little bit above there. I don't even know if that's gonna help y'all, but So we're just gonna blend a little bit right here. I'm gonna go to my M506, also from Morphe. But for my yellow, I had to turn the brightness down so y'all can see it, but I'm taking this golden color because the James Charles palette, the yellow that's in there is too yellow. Like, I want something more golden, so I'm using this one. That's the yellow I'm using, and by far it's my favorite yellow. Y'all pay attention to what I'm about to do. I'm gonna use this yellow to blend out the green, but pay attention, y'all. Hold on, this is very important. So y'all see how that's not blending, and it's not because I intentionally didn't blend it. It's just not blending, and that's the same thing I did for the other eye. So let me show you guys what to do to blend that out. You don't need to keep adding more yellow, like it's not gonna do anything. So what you want to do is go back to the brush you used to put the green down. Do not pick up any more product because you still have product left over on your brush. So just go back into this brush and just lightly buff this out. And remember, you do not need any more product because that's gonna make a mess. Okay, do you see that? Now we're gonna go back into the yellow and then continue to blend it out. Yeah, that's how you get rid of harsh lines, especially with dark, not even dark colors, just any color really. I'm taking the same M506 just because just because yellow and orange complement each other, and I honestly don't want to dirty up another brush. But I'm gonna take this orange. Y'all see how that's like not moving. So go back into the brush with the purple, no more product. Okay guys, so I think that's pretty much blended enough. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm not sure which video you guys are going to see first, but I did record a video using this. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. It's in the shade C1, which is literally the same shade as this one. I bought it because you get more for your money. I just wanted to try it. It is a foundation, so it is a little bit lighter. It's not as thick, but like I said, I've used it before and it works the same, honestly. So it's just up to you. I know y'all like using the foundation to cut your crease. Yeah. It's been so long since I did a halo eye to the point I can't even do them right no more. Let me go ahead and blend out the corner so we can see what shape I have going on. So using the same brushes from earlier, I'm going to use the E17 for the purple and the E18 for the green. For this part, you might want to use your finger and tap out the corner, just because when you tap your brush into the color, it's kind of tapping the concealer and it's like transferring it. Does that make sense? Just tap your whole eyelid, to be honest, because for the middle of my eyelid, I'm gonna go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and pick up this neon green right here. And I'm gonna use a packing brush that's also from the same brush set that I blended my concealer with. I feel like I've said that so many times, but yeah, I'll link the brush set down below. Oh yeah, let me show you how deep into this color since it's so neon. It's just gonna go like this, honestly. So for that one, I would say kind of scrape it a little bit. I don't know if that's important to tell y'all, but it might help somebody. So okay, so let's go back into the purple. Wouldn't this look be so pretty with this glitter? I feel like I'm just over glitter at this point because y'all don't understand how hard it is to get this mess off. It's easier though. I would say y'all, it's easier to get it off with the Duo Lash Glue. This glue peels off like a rubber, so when you use this to put your glitter down, it does come off. So I'm gonna do my mascara, my lashes, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I did the waterline. Anyway, I want to take that NYX white eyeshadow that I showed y'all. No, this is not a white eyeshadow. The white the white eyeliner, line my waterline. I'm using the M432 for all my colors except for the neon green. But this is just a flat, like, what is this called? I can't remember the name of none of my brushes for some reason. Like, it's been that long. Going back into the purple. I'm going to go into the green. I'm going back into the neon green. If I get on live, would y'all watch me? I feel like I'm gonna mess up though. That's why I never get on live. And I be doing some random stuff while I be recording. Like I have to edit so much out. Okay guys, let me do my highlighter. So this highlighter is, I'm gonna start using these for highlighter. These for highlighter. It's from the MISS Cosmetics pigments. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I do hope I went deep enough in detail. If you still have any questions, just leave them down below. The giveaway, I have not uploaded it. Well, I haven't even recorded the video yet because I feel like I want to add some more things to it, but I'm not sure what to add, so I'm sorry that that's not up yet. Also, thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. This really was a giveaway just to show you guys how much I love and appreciate you. Since I just hit 5,000, I guess it can go to represent both as a celebration and just to celebrate you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.